So how do you turn off the flashing light notification on your iPhone? If this is turned on, I'm going to show you how you can disable it right now. You open up the settings on your iPhone. So there, you need to scroll down a bit until you see the accessibility section. As I always say in my videos, it is marked by a blue icon with a person in a circle on it. So it's easily accessible. It's right below the general settings. And in there, you have a few sections like the vision, the physical and motor, but I want you to come down to the hearing section, and within which, in the middle, is the audio and visual menu. When you tap on this and scroll all the way towards the bottom, you can find LED flash for alerts, and this might be turned on for your device. If you don't ever want to get the flashing light notification on your iPhone, disable this feature altogether with the first toggle on the list. If you, however, want to customize it a little bit, what you can do is to choose different modes and situations when this works. So essentially, you have the ability to use flash when your iPhone is locked, or you can also use flash in the silent mode, which might work as a great complementary feature because when you don't hear your notifications, you might as well just see them using the flash on the backside of your iPhone. Up to you, but as I say, you can disable it altogether, so make sure you turn off everything you see right here. And that is it. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know below by hitting the thumbs up button if you managed to turn it off on your device. And also, if you like these straight to the point tutorials, then subscribe to Foxtecc, as we're going to publish a lot of videos like these in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.